here on Harrods Creek in Louisville, Kentucky with three of my buddies, Meyer, Devo, and the man himself, Adam Ward. What's up? Now look at that.
That is a good fish.
Throw him in the well, we'll measure him at the end. We got Devin Kruger with the first catch of the day.
Hello.
Yeah.
Boy.
We're on the board, ladies and gents. Second catch of the day, Adam Ward. Hold her up for the camera. Yeah, buddy. Oh, yeah. They're 2 fish deep, but it's not looking too promising. Oh, it's not much to look at, but Adam with the third catch of the day. We're in business, boys.
Chris set the drag low.
Up close look at four catches.
Spot.
Got a bet for you. $5 if you make it in the pipe. Well, we're a lot closer now than we were when I thought of the bet. Well, we never shook on it. No. That was impressive, though. So good looking.
Oh, man.
We're calling it a day. Two. Oh, just switched to 2-1, but we'll round up 2-2. Look at that large amount of bass. That's what we're talking about. All right, 3-2. We all know it.